Hi, my name is Jonathan Henry, and I'm a marketing and communications professional. And I chose the certificate in social media at Georgetown University as a way to update my skills and knowledge surrounding social media. As a marketing professional, I've had a background here in social media, but with the industry, it's always changing and updating. The last time I took a class in social media was probably 5 years ago in my master's program, and a lot has changed since then. And I really felt that I needed to update my skills because some of the platforms that exist today weren't even relevant when I was first getting into this industry. The certificate exposed me to other areas that I wasn't as familiar with or maybe haven't really thought about in a long time. This included crisis communications plans, really focusing in on content calendar work, and just the platforms themselves and who the key people that we're trying to reach on this. Just really reminding me and further developing skills that I had already had to another level from professionals, the industry professionals that are working in these industries, sharing their knowledge, and then allowing me to bounce ideas and feedback off of them. So that in itself is pretty invaluable. Flexibility is probably one of the biggest aspects of this because, we're all working full time. And this isn't like an undergraduate program where you might be doing this full time and that is your job, but no. I was able to work my normal 9-to-5 style job and then take online courses at night within the certificate. The flexibility was able to do it on my schedule and turn in work when I wanted to. So I didn't really have to put anything from my personal life or my professional life on hold. So flexibility was amazing with this format. After it completed, I walked away with an upgraded skill set and kind of a renewed passion for social media. Instead of just going through the motions, instead of just, putting that post out there, we're really learning how to do it smartly and with an effect in mind, so that I'm not just putting stuff out there to check a box, but I'm really putting stuff out there that I think will make our target relate to it. And that's really important. And that's one of the best parts of learning from these instructors because of their vast knowledge and expertise. Another thing I really appreciated was kind of taking me out of my comfort zone, especially with things like a crisis communications plan or social media best practices. It's always been like kind of something in the back of my head, but you think this is never going to happen to me. But what happens when somebody posts a rude comment or they ask you something uncomfortable? And how do you respond to it? This program really kind of made me work through that. I've been able to incorporate a lot of this program into my work now, especially with the calendars and organizing my work. Ideas come natural for me, but the workflow and things like that I was able to take away, it's made me a more efficient marketer. And in this industry, things move fast, and being efficient is probably better than being creative in a lot of ways. So I owe that to the certificate, along with some of the other skills and knowledge that the subject matter experts were able to pass on, and it was very impressive.